guys, join me. Let's make this delicious coconut rice. Join me. So easy to make. Hello guys, join me. Let's make this delicious coconut rice. Now I'm seasoning my meat. You can see a little bit of curry, our onions, some dry pepper. So I will not be adding too much water because this is the soft chicken. Here is our paprika. We are using 1 green paprika, 2 red paprika. I'm going to slice them, and I'm using 2 red paprika, so just slice. I'm going to use my hand mixer to chop it. So this is what we got, and this is all we got. So here we have our pre-heat oil. Now I'll be adding my onions. Okay, I'll be adding my chopped paprika. I'm going to fry it for some minutes. So here we have our chicken. It's ready. Yes. So these are the remaining part of the chicken. I just pieces it, then I'll be frying it with the oil. I'm adding my seasoning. This is Maggi, 1 cube of Maggi, but the rice is not much, and salt, a little bit of dry pepper, a little bit of curry, and crayfish, 2 spoons of crayfish, and then we save. So delicious. So I'll be adding a little bit of this will be the sauce we got from the mix, the water. I add a little bit. Then our sauce is ready. I'll be adding my rice, clean right now. We're adding my rice. Then I have to stir it. So our food is almost ready. So this is our coconut milk. See, and this one, the creamy one. This one is very thick. Of course. Here we have our coconut milk. So I'm adding my milk now. Added this one also. So this one is very thin. So let's taste. Wow, look delicious. So we're going to cover it. So if you know you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and shout out to Favor. This video is dedicated to Favor. Asked me to do this, and I appreciate you. So we are going to cover it and allow it to heat for 10 minutes. All right. So here is our chicken. Our chicken is ready. Yeah, the food is ready. Our coconut rice is ready. Wow, it looks yummy, yummy, and yummy, guys. So food is ready. Join me, let's enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop your comments, and see you in my next video.